Hi, I'm Mahtab Karani. I'm from Iran, and this is my CS50 final project for the introduction to programming with Python. For that project, I actually developed a program that can align two DNA sequences based on Needleman-Wunsch algorithm. This algorithm is useful for when you want to align two sequences globally, and which means that it is useful for the situations when you have two similar sequences but you want to find the differences between them as well. Note that your DNA sequences can only contain adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, which in short we will refer to as A, T, C, and G. So based on Needleman-Wunsch algorithm, you have to actually create a matrix, and you have to give each cell of your matrix the right value, and then finally you have to find the most efficient way for the alignment. And in the end you can have your results and you can find the differences as well. So now let's run the program. When you actually run the program, it will welcome you, and then it will send you a message for you to put your query. And as I mentioned, know that your query can only contain A, T, C, and G, and if you put anything other than that, it will send you a message that your DNA sequence is not a standard and you have to recheck it and you have to find a problem within it. So now I copy a standard version of the DNA I want to put as my query. And if my query is okay, if it's fine, it will actually ask for my target sequence. Again, your target sequence can only contain A, T, C, and G. It cannot contain anything other than that. It cannot contain any other character or even numbers. But remember that it's fine if there are white spaces between your characters, or if there are white spaces in the beginning or at the ending of your string. It will be fine and there won't be any problem. And the program is not case sensitive, so it's okay if you put capital or a small version of your characters. After the program checks actually both sequences, if they're standard, it will ask if you want your results to be colorful or all in white, and it just depends on your preference. Like if the colors distract you, you can choose the white version. But now I chose the colorful version for you to see the results in that way. And that's it. So I just want to thank CS50 for giving me this chance, this opportunity to learn Python. It was really fun and I learned lots of things from it. So once again, thank you very much and bye bye.